What a great way to get back out at the projects. I spilled some freaking paint over and now I got to clean it up. So here's going to be the test and see how good the paint comes up now from the epoxy floor. So let me continue wiping up and we'll see how good this thing cleans up. All right, I'm not going to record anymore because I want to hurry up and get this up. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Well, it cleaned up pretty nice. I would say probably about like 90, 95, 98%. Got into some cracks into here and it's kind of, I just can't get the cloth into there very well. But yeah, it came out. Later when this is dry, I'm going to hit this up with the pressure washer to take that off. So that should come off no problem. But anyways, good morning everybody. All right, so today I'm still kind of a little out of it. Don't have all my full strength, but I want to get up and start moving around a little bit. So I'm going to tackle a little project, or at least I'm just going to go until I'm just feeling a little bit tired. But the goal is to try to get some of this stuff over here, and I want to try to be able to get it all over here. So I'm going to begin with probably, let's see if I can get this stuff over to here. And I'm going to clear some of this stuff out. And basically, I'm just going to, anything that I can kind of get up into the shelves that I feel are going to be permanent, AKA I'm not going to get rid of. I'm going to go ahead and try to get those up there with expending just a little bit of energy. But yeah, we'll see what we can get done today. All right, let's send it. All right, so I'm now getting a little bit tired, but as you can see, this area is all clear, ready for phase three. Got the wood and everything over here temporarily until I can find a more permanent space for it. Unsure on where it's going to be actually at this current time. But for now, I think I'm going to take a little bit of a break and just rest up a little bit and figure out the game plan going forward. Okay, I'm a little tired again, so I'm going to take a little break. But as you can see up here, I got the shelf going all the way over here to where it's going to meet. The one thing is my neighbor has basically one of those angle mounts that I'm going to put up and go ahead and strengthen up this side. I'm going to see how that holds up. I'm going to see exactly what he got. And if it's strong enough, I'm just going to leave that as it is and screw everything down. But for now, I need to take a little break, so I'll be back in a little bit. All right, everything is bolted and screwed down. Now for the final step, I'm going to go ahead and put this board up there so I can hang my bikes on them. Excuse me. Yeah, there should be just a little bit more now, and I'll be pretty much good to start organizing the garage. All right, let's send the last step. All right, well, after a little bit more organization to go as far as getting the garage all prepared, but this concludes phase 3. Put up the bike rack, so these will hang here. Actually put the helmets here, but my son's bike will actually go there. So you can see how I got places to kind of hang, put some hooks back there and hang whatever bicycle things I may need. But let's do one quick test real fast. The test is, will the garage door close? So far, so good. I got like a very sensitive one. It seems like it doesn't want to turn off or go back until the very end, but it looks like we're good to go. All right, well, that's going to have it. After so many things kept getting in my way, finally got the garage shelves done. Now I just need to go ahead and organize them. You know, it was pretty challenging today. I'm just pretty winded, trying to get my energy back up, but all is good. I hope you enjoyed this garage series, this garage shelf series. I'm sorry I was a little bit long, but hey, you just got to keep making progress. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video while pressure cleaning the white paint off of my garage, off of my concrete floor. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you on the next one.